how to connect Spaceship domain to Netlify. First, open up Spaceship, click on all products, select domains from the left, and then click on domain manager on the right. From here, we want to find the domain which we want to use. I'm just gonna copy it, then left click on it. Now open up Netlify, select the project which you want to add a custom domain to, and here you will see domain management. Click on domain management on the left, and you can select add a domain you already own, and we will just paste the one that we copied, and you will click on verify. Once you click on verify, here we will need to open it up. So to connect it to your site, update your DNS record at register pending verifications. Okay, click on add domain. Once we select add domain, then it's gonna tell us that it's pending verification, so we're gonna click on it, and we will need to do this. So go back into Spaceship domain, click on name servers and DNS, and we will just click on manage DNS settings. So we will need to add some records here. At the bottom, we are going to a record, so a record add, and it's going to point to this. So we need to add a record add, and it's going to point to this, and you want to click on add. And now so this is going to be the same one here. And once you have done this, you might need to do the same for www as well. So here you will need to create a CNAME www, and it's going to point to this. So we are going to add a CNAME. It's going to be www, and it's going to point to the thing that we just copied, and you want to click on add. Once you have added this, it's going to take some time to propagate. And once this has propagated, then you can, this is going to directly connect your domains here from Spaceship to Netlify. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.